Hey guys, we're back today with another bead haul. This one is from Whatnot. If you don't know what Whatnot is, it's basically like eBay, but it's live. So say for instance, somebody is selling beads and stuff, I will go into that, what's called a room, and people are like selling beads live. So they'll hold it up and there's like a little auction at the bottom going live. You have maybe like, I don't know, 5 or 10 seconds to bid on something. So that's kind of how it works. It's really, really fun. I recently got into it, just looking at it because my brother-in-law told me about it. And y'all, I impulse bought a couple things. So this is what I have right now. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. One of these was a free giveaway. I think it might be this one. It was just something somebody gave me, somebody gave away for free because I was in the show, or at the time, and they did like a little giveaway on the side. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got from there. Had to wait a couple of days, about a week. Oops, I'm gonna turn that over. I had to wait about a week for everything to come in. Let's see, what should we open with? Let's start with this little. Why don't we start with this one? This is cute. In this little box. This was the first one that I opened anyway. Oh, cute. Oh, I got it. Oh, somebody sent me extras. Oh, that's so nice. Those are so pretty. Let's look at. Somebody gave me an extra. I believe this one was from Mary's Casual Treasures. She gave me an extra gift, which is so cute. Look how little tiger's eye beads. How cute. Not tiger's eye, but I don't know, cat eye beads. That's so nice. Oops. I'm trying to pull these out so you guys can see how pretty they are. I love these. Oh my goodness, I'm having a rough time today. How cute are those? Oh my god, little beads. Those are so pretty. I'm probably gonna leave her a good review. That's so sweet. Oh my gosh, those are so pretty. I'm a sucker for pastels. That's so nice. That was a free gift from her. Let's see, I got this strand. I thought this was so pretty. It's like a light green / brown or something. And I thought it was so pretty. Oh my goodness, those are gorgeous, y'all. That's one of the strands I got from her. Very pretty. And it's so fun to participate on, y'all, all just a bit. And I thought this one was so pretty. Oh my god, I'm such a sucker for sparklies. I'm such a sucker for sparklies. I thought that was a really pretty strand. All of these were about, let's see. Let me see if I can do this. Here we go. Okay, yeah, here we go. I can show this. Yeah, so this was from Mary's Casual Treasures. The name of the show, so if you want to look them up on Whatnot, that's the name of her, I guess, channel. Let's see, some of these, one was 4, one was 3, and then one was 5. And I think I had to pay, what was that for the shipping? Oh no, plus shipping. So that's the only thing that kind of ruins the deal, is having to pay for the stupid shipping. So I feel like sometimes you get more bang for your buck if you buy a lot from one seller. Then obviously the shipping goes further. Let's see, this looks really pretty. I'm getting to finally see these up close. This was a mottled green. I thought that was a really pretty strand. I'm a sucker for like any kind of marbling or anything that looks like stone or semi-precious stone. I just love beads like that. And then this one I thought was very unique. This one had a very, very unique shape. This one was so pretty, and I thought about using this for like, any kind of beachy or ocean themed bracelet. I have a lot of seashell beads, and it's like those turtles and stuff you guys have seen me use in past videos. I think that would be really pretty with the ocean themed bracelet. They're just so unique. Like, look at the shape. It's such a unique shape. But they're so cute. So that's what I got from her. Thank you so much to Mary's Casual Treasures. That's what I got from the first shop. And y'all, I will warn you, once you get on there, it's super addicting. It is so much fun to just like live bid on stuff. So be careful, y'all. Be careful. You will get whisked away once you start. Cute little tree, very cute little thank you note. This one was called It's For Sale Today. That's the name of her Whatnot channel. Let's see what she included in here. Oh, so cute. Does that look a little thank you gift? Hello. Oh my gosh, Swedish fish. Oh my gosh, that's so funny. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's so funny. She sent me candy. That's funny. I thought it would be like a bead or something. That's really sweet. Some candy. All right, so this is what I actually ordered. Should I keep that in view? A little view of all my little treasures. But not that. Oh, it's these ones. Oh, these were so pretty. Y'all, I have a funny story about this one. The guy who was selling this one, I think it was a guy doing that show. He had another set like this, but they were like orange. They were a little bit shorter than these. And I regret it so much not getting them because they reminded me of carrots. And I'm so sad I didn't bid on those too. But I thought these were so cool looking. And listen to that sound. Oh my God. It's so satisfying and they feel so fun. Like, I just want this as a fidget toy, y'all. Like, just the way it feels in your hand. It's such a fun texture because they kind of move in your fingers and they're smooth and you got them wiggling in your fingers. This is such, oh my God, it's such a fun, like, just sensory toy, honestly. But I thought these were so cute and unique. I actually have no bloody idea what I'll pair this with, y'all. Not a faintest clue. But I thought they were really cool looking and really pretty. You get a lot too. I got so many. I'm definitely gonna have to go back to that person because you get so many, and I really regret not bidding on the orange ones because the little orange ones reminded me of carrots. It would have been so cute to have those like on a string with some carrot beads or something. My biggest regret, y'all, my biggest fumble. I'll just have to go back and hopefully he'll have more. I could probably ask him because I think in some of the shows they'd mention like, oh, having a warehouse or something. So maybe he can get some more, but it's really fun to go on there because you can find stuff that you can't find at Hobby Lobby and stuff like that. So I'm not sure where they source their stuff at. I have no idea, but you know, okay, this is definitely a lot less than what I expected to get a little bit more than this. This is from a different store now. We're at a different store now. I'm not sure which one this was. I'll have to go back and look. I'll do better about it next time, y'all. Letting you guys know exactly which show I got it from. But here's another order that I did. Oh my God, these are actually super tiny. Wow. Let me get these out of the package. Oh, those are so pretty though. Wow, I expected to have a little bit more than that for what I paid, but that's gorgeous though. It'll be a really nice little dainty bracelet. It's so pretty. With the colors in it. That is really pretty, and that's why I bet it on that one. That's gorgeous. Let me get this other one out. I didn't know they had little miniature baggies this long. So long. Oh, that's so, oh my God, this is why I bet it on this. These are so pretty. Oh my God, look at the blue. Oh my God, that's so pretty. Just like see the blue throughout. Oh my God, those are so gorgeous. It's like blue and brown. Absolutely love that. That is gorgeous. That's another one that I got. So pretty, oh my gosh. I love that. I'll have to try to find what to pair with that. That's just so pretty. I thought they were so gorgeous. And then again, another one. That's why I got these. It reminded me of like all the ocean beads I have. Just nautical seashell beads that I like. I thought that would be cute with some kind of blue, some kind of ocean or blue bracelet. Again, I seem to have a thing for like oddly shaped blue beads apparently, y'all. So here's another one. And this is another one from a separate order. Oh, you know what? Maybe I can even use these together. You never know. That kind of looks like old lady jewelry when you put them together like that, but I'll find some kind of use for them to make them cute and interesting. But those are two oddly shaped blue beads that I got. Those are very cute. All right, and last but not least, I'm gonna save these. These are kind of cool. This one broke, but these are kind of neat. That could be a way to hold some beads. Like I don't know. I don't throw away stuff that's perfectly good, you guys. I don't throw stuff away. It's perfectly good. That's perfectly good storage. All right, here's the last one. This one was inside of the actual mailer. Looks like they had a secondary box. I don't know what's in here that needs to be this protected. Oh God, how am I gonna get into this thing? All right, empty. Oh, cute. Okay, this was from this is the freebie from House of Mimi. This was the one I wanted to give away then. I remember the name of that store. So House of Mimi. She said new item, new something alert. So grateful you are part of the fam. I truly hope to see you again, and I can't wait to see what your creative genius does with these. Go. I don't know what that says. Because that definitely does not say beads. Go juicy. I don't know what that says, but that's a cute little sweet note. And that's from House of Mimi. That's the name of her channel on Whatnot. If you want to follow her. And as you can see, it was free. I want it in a giveaway. Yeah, Givey. They call it Giveys on there. I want it in the Givey. Let's see. This is some orange beads. Oh wow, they give you quite a bit. Oh, it says Dirty Girls. That's hilarious. What's this? Oh, she sent me two. I thought I only got one. Well, that was sweet of her. That was very sweet of her. Oh, welcome, homie. Welcome, homie. You just became someone I brag about. That's so cute. I like her. You know what? Her stream was really fun too. Like she had music playing and it was like a party. She had a really fun stream. I really liked her energy. So I'm not surprised about this packaging at all. It's pretty funny. Might use these as So that's, if I use these as my little jewelry storage bags for different beads, I'm probably gonna think I got them from her. Maybe I shouldn't keep these, I'll just be confused. Okay, that's interesting. This is just some blue beads, all right. Can't complain about free, y'all, and they sent it to you for free. That is everything I got from Whatnot, y'all. Very small little haul. It's really fun shopping on there. I feel like sometimes if you get carried away, it's not really a deal because obviously if you're bidding on something plus paying shipping, you're not really getting a deal. It's kind of more of an experience. So I do caution you if you do go on there, be conscious of what you're doing. Don't impulse bid and stuff like that. I try to learn very quickly, like only bid if you're getting a deal. Like, I feel like another thing you need to keep in mind too, like if you get into a stream late and they're only gonna do like maybe 10 or 4 more beads, and you buy one and you pay for shipping, it's not good because you can't really get a bunch of stuff for that one shipping price. Does that make sense? You want to make sure you're get there at the beginning so that you know you don't have to pay shipping, like your shipping goes further, if that makes sense. So I am kind of conscientious of that too, because I tended to, with my luck, I tended to get into those streams late. Like they were already like halfway over when I came in. So if I bought something, I'm paying shipping for like one thing. You want to pay shipping for like 10 things or something, you know, you want to be there at the beginning so you can see everything they had and buy multiple things so that the shipping isn't cutting into your costs, you know, as much, if that makes sense. So, oh, that's a weird shaped bead. Look at that one in there. It's kind of weirdly shaped. Oh, it's really weird. These are so cute though. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. That is what I got. I'll probably say this one is my crown jewel of the haul, as well as this one. That's just so pretty. I'll find something to do with these. Oh my God, they're just so fun to touch. What if I just made a bracelet just out of these only? Huh. Kind of cute. It's a little bit cute. I'll find something to do with it. I thought they were cool. Sometimes it's fun to just buy stuff like, I don't know what I'm gonna do with them, but they're cool. Anyways, that's what I got, y'all. That's what I got. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I just realized what the dirty girl means. So the dirty girl sticker, if you look really closely, it says general washing instructions apply. So a dirty girl means these beads are dirty. Isn't that funny? I thought I was just saying dirty girl just to be funny, but these really teeny tiny letters, it says general washing instructions apply. So they both of those need to be cleaned apparently. Maybe let me separate them from the pack. What is the other one though? Wait a minute. Oh, there it is. This one doesn't really look dirty though. Anyways, all right, bye for real.